YouTube. YouTube. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go get it, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the curls though. Anyways, what's going on? It's your boy, TadesseTV. Tadesse, you can call me Tadesse. If I really fuck with you, you can call me Tadu. But anyways, I'm at the mall currently because you know why? It is time to unbox and give you my first impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Gang, let's get it. What'd I say? I wasn't capping, nigga. I wasn't capping. Oh shit, I'm driving right now, sorry. I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get it to the crib. How about that? Yeah. By the way, I just want to say this real quick. This phone is... Okay, I'm just gonna... Yeah, no, I'm good. Oh, hey, lad, boy. Anyways, look, what I was trying to say was, this phone is massive. Like, when I say massive, bro, what's up? I swear I bought like an iPad mini. But it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. I'm blessed and I'm fortunate, so it's good, you feel me? But anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the crib. I just wanted to say that real quick, you feel me? All right, so here we are. We are finally home. I was gonna, you know what I'm saying, have y'all come with me and go get it inside the store, but look, Apple store is kind of hectic. People were waiting, and I just wanted to get my phone and get out of there. Anyways, so look, I went with the Graphite 128, I believe. It's the iPhone Pro Max. And yeah, let's get into it. Boy, if you don't get your... Oh my... So it comes like this, right? Wow. Okay, so fingerprints definitely is a thing with this. All right, so when you open the case, right, you're greeted with something about the increase on the volume and decrease. You got the alarm and the power on the side, correct? Okay, and let's... Oh boy, if you don't get your... This phone is humongous. But it's been time. Hold up, before we boot this up, so look, as you can tell, it's kind of like thicker than thinner, right? Square-like, rectangle-like shape. I have the 4S. This was the first iPhone that I ever had, and it's basically similar. But imagine, this is what I was rocking with in like 8th grade, 7th grade, whenever it first came out. This small, very, very small phone, right? And then you got this in 2020. Like, bruh. Anyways, so let's boot this up. Actually, while we boot this up, right? I don't even know how you boot this baby up. I don't know if it's the same or not. Oh, I'm sure it's like that. Okay. So we got this. While it's booting up, in here, right, you got this. Comes with a little SIM card thing. Got your little Apple thing. Got the logo, of course. And the USB-C. It doesn't come with a charger case, of course. I was there at the mall when I was picking this up. They were like, that small box was like $20, so I think I'm gonna look at the Anchor brand. I believe that they have their own version of that that's compatible and will, you know, go well with this. So probably gonna just do that. But here we are, right? How's it looking? You know what I'm saying? Hola. Love to see it. English. United States. Let's just do setup manually. Yeah, okay, so look, I'm not gonna do all of this right now. I just wanted to open and unbox this for y'all and give you my first impressions, and I'm loving it. Definitely a huge upgrade. So look, I have this. My screen is cracked. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this replaced because I still want to use this. But look at the difference, like size-wise. Still, this is the iPhone X. This is the iPhone Pro or iPhone 12 Pro Max, right? So definitely. Hold on, yeah, so probably just broke it, but it's whatever. So look, oh my goodness, I didn't even know I cracked the back. Oh, that's bad. Oh, it's whatever, bro. I've had this forever since it first came out. But anyways, before we start rambling, so look, this is a bit thicker, right? And this is thin. I mean, it's kind of just roundish. But anyways, definitely a difference. I believe these can just stand on their own. It's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? But these obviously can't. But the screen, the brightness, like, I don't think this is on the highest. I can't do all that right now, but I would say that this is definitely pretty smooth. All right. Anyways, look, we have this, right? And then let's do one more quick comparison. So I have an 8 Plus Pro right here, right? I have an 8 Plus Pro right here as well. And why am I saying Pro? It's not Pro, just 8 Plus. But anyways, or I think that's what it is. But look, so when you do the comparison, okay, so when you do the comparison of these two, yeah, this barely takes up the screen, whereas this is literally the whole, you know what I'm saying? So pretty dope, pretty dope. But anyways, look, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little unboxing and first impressions. And my first impressions is that I'm fucking with it. I love it. I'm actually excited because now I can take photos and, you know what I'm saying, do that. The screen protector that I went with is this. I'm actually about to go to my carrier store, AT&T, and have them do all that because I don't like messing with that. I'm pretty OCD, but you know, they do it really good for me, so you know, I'm gonna just do that. And yeah, I'll probably just do like maybe in the next week or two after having this phone and just, you know, doing my thing. I know that they had like an iOS update where they have widgets and all that, and I used to be all about that, but I was really just waiting for this so I can do it on this phone. So I'll probably do like a video in the next week or so talking about, like, you know, how it's been and just give you all like a little review. But I mean, if you're just like me, I love unboxing videos, and I said, you know what, might as well do it. It's legendary 2020. All right, we've gone through a lot, but this is dope, so I'm pretty happy. Anyways, it's your boy Tadesse. If y'all love the video or just fucked with it or anything, bro, honestly, just hit that like button. Comment down below any thoughts, whatever it is. I'm sure I'll reply, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm taking photos with these. Just know that. But anyways, hope y'all have a blessed day, and see ya.